In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Charles Schwab Debit Card. The key thing to know up front is that you don't apply for this card by itself. Instead, you get it automatically when you open and fund a Schwab Bank Investor checking account that's linked to a Schwab One brokerage account. First, head to the official Schwab checking page and choose Open a Checking Account. You'll be guided through a straightforward online application for the investor checking account. Because the debit card comes with this account, there's no separate card form to fill out. During the application, you'll provide the personal and identification details the site requests, and you'll link the checking account to a Schwab One brokerage account. If you don't have a brokerage account yet, don't worry. You can open both accounts in the same session. Take a moment to double-check your mailing address and other entries before submitting, since that's where your card will be sent. Reviewing the account disclosures as you go can also help you know exactly what to expect. After you're approved, the next step is to fund your new checking account. You can move money in by transferring from another bank, linking an external account, setting up direct deposit, sending a wire, or using mobile check deposit. There's no monthly service fee and no minimum balance requirement for this account, but adding funds is what triggers Schwab to issue your debit card. A small initial transfer is enough to start the process. Keep in mind that transfer times can vary. Standard bank transfers and external account links may take a couple of business days, while wires are typically faster. If you're linking an outside bank for the first time, you may need to verify it before the first transfer completes. Once your checking account is funded, Schwab will automatically mail your card to the address on file. You'll receive the Schwab Bank Visa Platinum Debit Card, which includes valuable travel-friendly features like worldwide ATM fee rebates and no foreign transaction fees. Delivery is usually within a few business days after funding, depending on your location and postal service timing. Keep an eye on your mailbox. Financial mail can sometimes arrive in a plain envelope. When your card shows up, store it securely and keep the account information in a safe place for future reference. That's it. Open the investor checking account, fund it, and the Schwab debit card arrives automatically. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to spend with confidence at home and abroad.